Alright, January 28th. Look at this. Look at this. Look, you're all full of sand. Come on, we'll go this way. This is her first time with a collar and a leash walk, so she's doing well. Puppy, sit. Good girl. Sorry, I didn't have my treat available right away. That's not good. Molly, you get that. But hey, the leash walk was a bit adventurous, but oh, drop my glove. But we're keeping her close. Puppy, let's go. Good girl. We just want her to hang out with us and enjoy the walk and tire her out. I don't know if I said it, it's January 28th, it's Monday. She's a pretty mobile little dog. The river's really low, so I don't worry about her too much. Molly, let's go this way. Molly, come. Good girl. Don't want her going too far. You guys are so awesome. Hey? Oh, you're already doing what you're supposed to. Oh, nice one, Molly. Puppy, no, hey, puppy, sit. Good girl, you beauty. What about you? Running out of treats. Gotta really ration them, Molly. There we go. You're a good girl. Okay, we're done. Or we'll do one more. Come on, Pops. Popsicle. Puppy, come. Oh, sorry. It's right in the middle of the feet. Good girl. Beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now they can have fun and games.